Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thanks for jumping back into another video. We're going to check out Terra Luna today, and I want to show you why I think we're at the best possible price to get that dollar cost averaging in at the moment, and it looks really good. So if you are new here, do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and leave a comment down below. We're going to crack on with it now. So basically what I am seeing is an incredible opportunity here to potentially look at a buy zone for Luna. You can see that it's happened a few times now where, look at the RSI from September. It's only ever come to 39. That's as low as it got for the last good 4 months or so, October, November, December. And every single time we get to that 70 RSI level, every time, even on this level here, every time we come down on the RSI, it's indicated and reflected to be a strong trading opportunity. Now, I'm not saying we're just going to immediately pump up to $77 through the resistance over here and then make progress all the way back up to $102 before we see new all-time highs, but I think this is potentially a good level to allocate some of your capital into this project if you are weighting it in different areas. You can see the volume was dropping off, and we are kind of picking up on that volume again, which is pretty nice to see. But this is some really strong support right here for Luna, and hopefully we don't actually break this support here, because if we do, then we'll be coming down to lower levels such as $52 right here. That would be the next level of support. But I do think, guys, it's really vital that we get a strong bounce off of this particular level on the Fibonacci over here. So that's one of the things that we wanted to look at on this project over here. If we hop into that 4-hour time frame, you can see that we just kind of rolling over still. We had the higher highs here, the consolidation, then we saw continuation to the downside, so we're back under that 20-day moving average on that 4-hour time frame, and you can see that the highs are just rolling over. So nothing really is happening at the moment in terms of the price. Maybe we're going to get a falling wedge out of this, but I doubt it. We just really got to hold this support level right here. It's very important that we hold the $68 to $70 range, because if we do break, then like I say, we'll be coming down to that next Fibonacci level at 62, and then also at $53 there. So we can see these levels by pulling the Fibonacci retracement, take to that swing high. We can see the 0.786 is a possible level where it could come down to at $62, and if we do break the resistance from this previous swing high over here at $77, we'll be making our way back up to the $102 range. So it's really vital that we stay above $70 and we hold and we consolidate here, trading sideways, before we see that movement to the upside. It could take a few days before we do get that kind of movement to the upside. Last time we were in this same phase, it took us 2 days and a bit until we started moving. So maybe around the 10th of Jan before Luna takes another spin to the upside. I think it's going to pump hard. It's a great project, and the fact that it was $102 and has already come down a good 32% for us, it's showing us good discounts. Last time when it corrected, it came down 32% as well. So it's really reminding me of December when Luna had a big pump. But yeah, it's just really trying to ask ourselves, is it realistic that we can come up to the next big targets of $102? Because if we do go through $102, our next price target, the actual price discovery goal, is going to be around $111 over there. So that's one of our targets that we've got there, and if we smash through that, you're looking at $123. So some really big zones to take some profits up here. So what would you want to do is dollar cost average at these support levels such as $70, 62 and 53 if we do come down, and then when we get that bounce to the upside back at 77, and the next resistances, we've also got some resistance over at $94. These are all profit taking zones. So if you dollar cost average here, buy the fear, buy the dip, then effectively when we take that impulse, that bounce back, however long that takes, you're in a better position and your average cost is down. So yeah, it's looking really good to buy Luna right now. We're oversold on the RSI, so I would probably be looking at adding some of that to my bags actually. And the worst thing's worse, that we come down to $62 over here, and then what you do is you just buy more, you add a bit more to your position if you have the funds to do so. So we're in this kind of falling wedge. We've got the resistance there, the support here, and now it looks like we're kind of consolidating. So we might get that reversal now. We might come up and retest $74, and that will help us break through to the resistance levels that we were just talking about over at $77. Otherwise, I think we're going to break the support at 68, and that's when we're going to see us trickle down and say hello to the lower prices, such as $62 if we do fall out of this support right here. So it's very important we do stay above that $70 mark, otherwise we will be going lower. Really looks like a bit of a double top as well, like a slanted double top, so it doesn't look super bullish right now, but as long as we can hold it, it's going to be okay. So just want to say massive thanks to Mub, Peter, Alp and Kara before I head off. If you do want to become a patron, you can find that down in the description below. The support means a lot. You'll get one-on-one messages, you will also get an ebook, and there will be other exclusive benefits, so check that out if you want to, and subscribe, like, leave a comment below. See you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed.